Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are looking at additional mathematics, O levels 4037, and the paper is 11 June 2020. And we are going to look at question number 3, which is the application of differentiation involving rates of change and the chain rule. So let's move on to question number 3. Yes, the question says that the radius r of a circle is increasing at the rate 5 centimeter per second. Find in terms of pi the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when r equals to 3. So, students, in this question, first of all, if we just see that what do we have to find out? Of course, in terms of pi, so we don't have to substitute the value of pi, we keep pi as it is. We have to find out the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing. So we write over here dA over dt, because it's a rate at what is changing, area is changing with reference to time. So this we have to find out. So if I want to involve radius also and time and write down the chain rule for this expression, it will be obviously dA over dr multiplied by dr upon dt. Why? Because time is involved as its a rate. dr with reference to time is the rate of change of the radius, and dA over dr is the rate of change of area with reference to the radius. So it means that if you mathematically cancel out dr and dr, we left with dA upon dt. So that is exactly equals to the left hand side. So we just put the values which are given. A dA upon dr is not given, so we have to consider that it's a circle. So I will write down the area of the circle as pi r square. Now differentiate with reference with respect to r, and you know that when we differentiate this 2, the power of 2 will become the coefficient, so it will become over here, 2 pi r. And what is the value of r which is given in this question? It is given as 3, so we get 6 pi, and this is basically your dA over dr. We have differentiated area with reference to the radius, with respect to the radius. Now the thing which is given is dr upon dt. It's given in the question, and where it is given? Over here, the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per second. So I write over here 5 centimeter per second. S to the power minus 1 means that per second. So we have to write down the chain rule again. dA upon that we have written before as well, dr multiplied by dr upon dt. Just have to replace the values over here. What is dA over dr? 6 pi, we already have calculated, multiplied by dr upon dt, that is given to you as 5, so write down its value, and finally we get the answer 30 pi, and it is centimeter square per second. S to the power minus 1 means per second, so you can write centimeter per second as well. So this is the overall solution of this entire problem. We got this answer. As you can see, this is a 4-mark question, so you have to show all the steps in order to gain the 4 full marks. Okay. So I hope that you got the idea of solving the rates of change, one of the past paper questions. Thank you.